In today's interconnected world, passengers expect high comfort and performance when traveling for business or pleasure. We at Thermo King know that each of our clients has their own expectations and requirements when it comes to offering reliable and efficient transportation to their passengers. We pride ourselves on the close collaboration with our clients in the development of customized solutions that address their business needs, keep up with industry trends, and address regulatory requirements. One of these customized solutions are double-decker buses. As demand for sightseeing or special event buses is on the upswing, Thermo King offers its trusted high-performance HVAC units to double-decker buses. Offering passengers double the space of a regular bus should go hand in hand with also offering them double comfort when it comes to temperature control during their journey. This is why Thermo King's CanAir control system allows independent cooling and heating for the upper and lower deck. Moreover, CanAir offers customized parameterization of the unit to save fuel when cooling is not needed. Variable speed refrigerant compressors offer a wide range of cooling capacity modulations to suit all cooling requirements. Our Athenia air conditioning modules offer additional CO2 sensors for even higher efficiency. At Thermo King, we aim for the highest level of quality and reliability across our product range. In our Prague-based state-of-the-art R&D center, with its rigorous testing facilities, we develop cost-effective, dependable, and easy-to-operate products. We cover a wide range of functional and performance tests, carried out to certify all our transport refrigeration equipment in a controlled environment. We closely link all stages from research and development to engineering and manufacturing, offering our clients the highest level of peace of mind when on the road. Amongst other tests, our units undergo special 3D multi-axial vibration tests, as well as wind tunnel simulations for improved cooling performance measurements. Our approach is to gain a thorough understanding of our clients' business and offer tailor-made soft and hardware solutions that help them achieve their business goals and beyond. In regards to software changes, we offer individualizations on, for example, temperature set points, communication protocols, or refrigerant circuit pressure limitations. When it comes to hardware changes, we offer, among others, customizations on compressor cooling capacities, refrigerant types, and air duct openings. To help speed up and improve custom order design unit changes and new designs, we offer software simulations for all our AC units with different hardware and operating condition setups. Thermo King, tailoring our services to your transportation and refrigeration needs.